I select this to be 1. Okay. So that's 2 pi, guys. If you cut it in half, that will give you what? Pi. If you cut that half, that give you pi over 2. Cut this one half, it give you what? Look up. And so if I want pi over 4, that's half in here, and half in here is 3 pi over 4. Half in here, 5 pi over 4, and finally 1. Okay. So we said cosine get its maximum at 0. Then at pi over 4 becomes 0.7 approximately. I'm careful about pi and point. Pi over 2, 0. 3 pi over 4, negative. Finally reach the minimum. So if you look at it, and then this is going to give you negative again, and then finally get to 0, and that's the minimum. And here it becomes positive, and then finally go back to maximum again. And if you really want to make it nice and clean, you can adjust it. Okay. All right, guys, let's analyze this. So let's look at this is quadrant number 1, and then quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Okay, so what do you guys think about quadrant number 1? How cosine is functioning? How cosine is behaving? That's the thing it gets you for test number 1. What kind of behavior it has?
It's decreasing.
It's decreasing. But it's positive, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So it's positive, but what?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. What happened in quadrant number 2?
I guess it's decreasing.
Yeah, it's negative, isn't it? But it still is what?
Decreasing.
It's decreasing. All the way till you get to what? Negative. And then quadrant 3 still is below the x-axis. It's negative, but it's pushing it a what?
Increase.
Increase. So when you get to quadrant number 4, it still is what? Increasing, but is what?
Positive.
Okay. Now, if I go backward, like I did for sine, I see something look like this. And I want you guys to pay attention to just this part. What do you guys see here that hits your eyes?
It starts at 1 the origin. So that means it's
Yeah, I want to see if it's odd evens. I'm looking for that. It's even. Why? What do you think? Yeah, correct. It's symmetric with respect to what? Y-axis, isn't it? Once it becomes symmetric with respect to the y-axis, then it becomes what? So if 172 is 162, they ask you, how do you know cosine is even? You say, because when I graph it, it will become symmetric with respect to what?
Origin.
Y-axis. Sine was symmetric with respect to the origin. This guy is symmetric with respect to what? Y-axis. And what's the best you can say about character of sine? Let me just get rid of this. it reaches max from beginning. Now when I say, let me see if you guys remember, it's going down, isn't it? It's decreasing. Is it going down slow or fast?
Fast.
Its character of maximum is always what?
Slow.
Slow. This part of it is a slow, but look what happened after this. Then this is minimum, isn't it?
Yeah. Minimum is always fast.
Minimum is always fast. That means if it's going down, it's going down fast. If it's going to go up, it's going to go up fast. But then what happened here?
Since this one's
Starts slowing down again. Because it's reaching what? Maximum. So, but let me put this if my marker works. Look at it. Now I'm gonna, for you guys to see it better, I'm gonna, isn't that red curve and black curve, they're kind of parallel with each other? Means they're shifted. If you look at this, if I pick up the black one and push it what? Remember, this is negative pi over 2, isn't it? This distance is pi over 2, agree?
Yeah.
If I pick up this one and I shift it 90 degrees to the front, what do I get? I get sine. So sine of x is actually used to be what? Cosine, except it's shifted 90 degrees to the what? To the right. Remember when you were graphing in Math 90, if somebody give you this, you said, what kind of shifting this one has? You say it's shifted 3 to the right, isn't it? So this one is shifted 90 degrees what? To the right. If you pick up the cosine and shift it 90 degrees from this point to this point, you actually get what? Sine. Would that tell you that these two functions, they're not really that much different? The only difference is somebody shifted. You can pick up the red one and shift it backward, right? And what that give you? Cosine. Pick up the cosine, shift it forward. They give you what? Sine. So, and you see, and if you look at them, they're like two brothers there just swimming in the water, isn't it? That's how I look at them. The red and blue one, they're doing like this. But once you get that thing out, and somebody say, let's say you're doing your homework tonight, you see something look like this. Is that cosine or sine? Cosine, because from beginning at 0, it reaches maximum, isn't it? Now, if they put 3 here and negative 3, what are they doing? The amplitude was 1. Now the amplitude is what? So it should be just what? That's it. Now, what happened if you see something look like this? It still is cosine, except what? Yeah, we flip it what? Down, isn't it? The original one that started at 5, this one starting at what?
Negative 5.
So how do I write it?
Negative 5 cosine x.
Yes? You got it.
So this one would start fast, going up fast.
Yeah, yes. So I don't want to overwhelm your brain, guys. I think I'm going to take my time. So these are crucial. These are not just everyday, things that you have to keep pushing it. Once you use up, keep pushing it, and it's really no learn. I prefer to go slower, but I want to make sure before we get to chapter 7, you have intuition that it can help you to understand chapter 7. Make sense? Okay. So here's your homework. We're gonna go. Basically, you can't do anything.
Do you have book in front of you? Okay. Look at page 408.